new watch, new babe.
So what's good, TMG fam? It's your boy L, and I'm back with another reaction. How y'all feel? Welcome back to the channel. Salute. Listen, man, I knew it. I knew y'all was gonna ruin it. I knew it. I knew y'all was gonna ruin certain foods for me, man. If y'all ain't checked out the other video I did, with the one with the big mayonnaise on the thumbnail, bro, I knew it, man. I kept saying to myself, watch, they tell me all the stuff that mayonnaise is in that I eat, probably. You know what I'm saying? And I'll probably continue to eat it. I just have to force my mind to not think of the mayonnaise, man. And everybody's like, yo, it's just oil and egg yolk. But it didn't taste like oil and egg yolk, bro. It didn't. It just it tasted nasty. So it is what it is. But anyway, man, we back. Shout outs to the channel Fainted, man. If y'all haven't subscribed, go check them out, man. He be having some dope videos, man. We back with another one of his videos. This one is funny. The funniest text messages, bro. If you like me, you laugh at your text thread all day long. Especially the people that I text and we be going back and forth, throwing jabs at each other. Even in my household, bro. It's every person for themselves. It's an all-out war in this house in our text thread, bro. You get that bus will crank up, somebody will throw you right up under it. You hear me? We're gonna check this video out though. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!
Baby, please don't break up with me. I know I messed up, but I can do so much better. Yeah, I'm in Spain, except the S, A, I, and N are silent, and the P is pronounced as your mom. I did not mean to send.
Yeah, I'm in... What? Yeah, I'm in Spain, except the S, the A, I, and the N are silent. And really? If you gotta set a joke up that long, it ain't gonna hit right. It's not. It's not. I get it now, but that was just too long of a setup, bro. Get to the point.
And the P is pronounced as your mom. I did not mean to send that. We're getting back together. Wait, hold on, what? Baby, please, don't break up with me. Oh, by the way, here's a picture of a Doge. Hey, what's up, cuties? My name's Fainted, and this is the funniest text messages of all time. Oh, and please subscribe, it's free.
Subscribe to Fainted.
Message to X. Hey, I have an exam tomorrow. So, any cheating tips? Oof, I know my boss sick of me.
Oof. Ooh, I was wondering where she was going without saying it. I'm like, Ooh. Ooh, that one deserves a double back.
So, message to X. Hey, I have an exam tomorrow. So, any cheating tips? Oof, I know my boss sick of me. Did you call a customer dumb tonight? No, I said, are you dumb? I was asking him. Do you think this was appropriate? Very much so. Ah, well, you're probably gonna get sacked. What would you do if I broke up with you? Get back with my ex. Now I see how much you care. I'm done. Hey, let's go for a coffee. Go with your ex. You are my ex. Sister tweets out.
That was a perfect setup and execution. I respect that one there. I respect that one. I might have to... Well, no, I'm not getting out of a relationship no time soon. But if I was back in the day, bro, I would have used that right there. That was dope.
Get back with my ex. Now I see how much you care. I'm done. Hey, let's go for a coffee. Go with your ex. You are my ex. Sister tweets out, frick it. Vans on the wall. And they be flexing those Vans. On the wall, not off the wall. And Vans DMs them on Twitter saying, delete your tweet. What? The tweet with your Vans on the wall. Our Vans are off the wall. It's literally our slogan. What the frick? Delete the tweet, please. You don't even skate, poser. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If Vans are telling their customers that you can't wear their products if you're not a skater, their profits would probably go down 95%. Like,
yes, Vans, like, I don't know when that wave came, but when it hit, bro, like, I see more people. My bad. I see more people wearing Vans nowadays more than ever, man. They almost got into my head and almost made me think about getting some. Almost, but I'm not that type of person, man. But I thought about it, though. Because what happened was I took my son to the store and he started copping Vans. Just wanting Vans. I'm like, what is it with these shoes, bro? Like, these shoes back in the day when I was a kid would get you laughed and picked on. Nowadays, they the hottest thing in the street. Shout out to the skaters.
So many people I know wear Vans don't even know what a skateboard is. Message from Crush. Propose me in an epic way. N307. What is this? Rotate your phone. Me. Huh. Hey. Last time I saw this, I couldn't figure out what it was, but if you flip your phone, it says love you, I think. Oh no, I love you. Wow. Hey, I'm not coming into work today. Why? I freaking hate this job. Understandable. Enjoy the rest of your day. If only it could actually work like that. Doctor? Yeah? My husband just swallowed a paracetamol by mistake. What should I do? Give him a headache now. Why waste medicine? Look at these little funny emojis, guys. Wasn't that funny? That was so funny. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. But you're just talking with me. Well, since you always send screenshots of our convos to your friends, it would be impolite if I didn't say hi to them too.
Ladies, you gotta know the screenshot game, bro. You gotta know. Especially if y'all not in a super committed relationship. If you sending, you know what I mean, the late night pics to the dude phone, just know that he got the picture, his homeboy got the picture, one of his other friends got the picture, the dude down the hall got the picture. So you have to, you gotta understand and know that when you're walking into that situation and sending them pics. That's all I'm gonna say.
Bruh. What did the ocean say to the other ocean? See you later? Nothing. They just waved. Did you see what I did there? Sure. See what I did there? Stop being a bitch and stealing my jokes. What are you saying? This is parenting. Message the mother. What's for dinner tonight? Steak. Mom, you know I'm vegetarian. Is it there's something for me? Hunger. This is parenting done right.
That's something my moms would have been like, hunger. That's what you're eating tonight then. Enjoy it. You're gonna eat sleep for dinner.
Is it there's something for me? Hunger. This is parenting done right. Is that like a little watermark I see in the top right that says, I love meat? Oh no, is this from one of those meat-loving Facebook propaganda pages? If your child dares to be vegetarian, they have to be executed. You eat your steak, son. Message to Larry from work. Do not call me son. You are not my dad. Now listen, son. Everything is going to be okay. No! Who's your daddy? Who is this Larry guy? You just have no idea what job they're working, what position he's in. Is it his boss, or is it like the janitor? Hi, X. Are you made of lithium and argon? Because you are liar. Are you made up of carbon, helium, astatine, and erbium? Because you...
I want to slap whoever sat down and come up with that. I want to slap him.
You are cheater. I feel like the Breaking Bad theme song's about to come in. I love you. Sorry, I have a boyfriend. Ha! Your father hired me for knowing this. Wait, so is the dad trying to find out if she has a boyfriend or not? Okay. What's he gonna do now? Just found out my daughter has a boyfriend. Just you wait, I'm gonna lock her inside. Send Bobs. You mean boobs? What do you mean? I got stuffs to build. Send Bobs fast. Did someone say build? Bruh. Ha! I've been called worse. Like, your girlfriend. The girl? Oh! Her toxic ex. What? Pikachu. Hey, my friend changed all my contact names. Can you tell me?
Yeah, I gotta go back for that one. I gotta double back for that one. That's some cutthroat women in here.
Someone say build? Bruh. Ha! I've been called worse. Like, your girlfriend. The girl? Oh!
Burn!
Her toxic ex. What? Pikachu. Hey, my friend changed all my contact names. Can you tell me who you are? What does it say? Bruh. Oh, wow. And by the way, it's Carolyn. Your ex. Oh. I guess you didn't change this one. Well, that's a lot of damage. Message to college kid. Hey, how was moving all day? Exhausting. I'm so tired. Send dudes? I think he meant nudes. No, I'm tired. Send some dudes to help me move. We send in dudes in 2020, not nudes. Dude, me and Nick are about to go to a Giants game. Box seats? Wanna go? Nick and I? What? It's Nick and I. Me and Nick is not proper grammar, dude. You're right. it's Nick and I, because you are no longer invited. Game.
Exactly. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Stop trying to correct me, man. You don't know if I'm drinking. You don't know what type of situation I'm in, man. Stop being a grammar police.
What is that? Homestar without his shirt. Dude, never text me again. My GF dumped me for talking too much about video games. What a ridiculous thing to fall out for. That's a far cry from a strong relationship. Guess we won't be saying Halo anytime soon. Alyssa says, seems like he dodged a bullet. Yeah, true that. Or maybe it's just destiny. I guess it's taking its toll. Sometimes relationships just burn out. Like they're doomed from the start. To be honest, I'm glad it's over. She was a real space invader. As soon as I got home, I started to pack, man. You should take the Italian job you offered. It's a just cause, and it'd madden her if she found out. Gamers. This guy's girlfriend. Not impressed. Babe, are you freaking serious? What? What happened? Are you wearing your Fitbit? Yeah, why? You're in the bathroom. So what? You just jumped from 6,960 steps to over 8,000. Jack off much? Frick. Hey, you got...
I was about to say, how did he? My bad. I know now. I did not. Oh man. Yo, y'all Fitbits is running around here telling on y'all. Y'all better chill, man.
Got caught, boy. You got caught. Message from Dad. Hey, honey. Did you pick up those assholes yet? Wrong person, Dad. Sorry. That was meant for your mother. Wait. What asshole? Do you mean me and my sister? Yes. September 25th, 2016. I really like you. Can do my girlfriend? Are you there? Sorry, I have a boyfriend. He has cancer. I want to accompany him for the last 3 years. I'm really sorry. I don't know. 25th of August, 2019. Is he dead now? Patience 100. This guy waited all the way from September 25th, 2016 to 25th of August, 2019. That's dedication. Message from Mom. Johnny, are you awake? Yes. Can you go get me Burger King? No reply from Johnny. You're ugly. I didn't answer my mom, so she called me ugly. Message from class teacher. Hi, your assignment has not been submitted yet. Email your assignment. Sir, I have a network problem. That's your problem. Sir, I've mailed my assignment. Hope you've received it. I haven't received it yet. That's your problem. Oh. Message to X. Hi, I have an exam tomorrow. So? Any cheating tips? Message to Chinese takeout. We should start referring to age as levels, because I'm at level 43. Sounds cooler than just being an old person. My son died at level 4. Ha! Noob. Wait. Why is this to the Chinese takeout though? Like, that's not a normal conversation you have with a Chinese bro. How do I tell Chris I like him though? These things are hard. You just did, Ellie. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. That was to Jenna. Her name isn't even close to mine though. Did you send this to me on purpose? Don't worry if you did. Maybe. Does that mean you like me too? No. There was no sound? She just died. Message to Mum. Finally, you've entered the digital age and got a smartphone. How is it? Mum? Hello? Why aren't you answering? How do you do a space? Bro, so my boyfriend came over, right?
Yo, that's my pops, man. That's my pops. Get the latest phone and then call you over to the house and be like, yo, man, so show me how to work this again. Why did you get it then, bro? Why did you get it? We were trying to send him some vacation stuff, man, right? So, and we was like, all right, go on VRBO, man, and look at the pictures of the place. Tell us if you think you like it. It's like, what pictures? I don't see no pictures, bro. For like 15 minutes. Struggled trying to get him on point. Oh no, what happened? So he asked my mom why he couldn't go in my room if we'd been together for 2 years, and she says, you'll understand when you have a daughter. And he said, am I supposed to have a daughter if you don't let me go in the room? I'm done. Very good point though, very... That's when I would have appeared with the shotgun. You wanna run that by me again, kid?
Good point. To be honest, they'd probably end up playing Roblox or I don't know.
Say it again.
Minecraft on the Xbox 360. Nothing too edgy, but hey, you never know what's gonna happen, bruh. Them bees though. Lol. This is her boyfriend. Tell her I said, them bees though. Lol. Where the frick you wanna be buried? In those bees, bro. Duh. Ha 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 ha. boob joke. Hey, can I see your and boob, please? Look, I did a flip for you. Flip. Well, I'd actually be intrigued to know if this little strategy here worked. I have a feeling these little flipping emojis is the perfect way to get a girl to just send you them top quality photos, you know? Nothing more enticing, nothing more arousing, nothing more epic, nothing more charming than this. Hey, do you know what bees make? Honey? Yes, dear. So some dude sees this text and thinks it's pretty funny, and they decide that they want to try it out on someone else and see what their response is. And yeah, it's slightly different. Hey, do you know what bees make? Some stupid annoying sound. What the frick you want? Anyways, that's it for the video. Please subscribe, it's free. I would really help out.
Yo, I don't know where he be finding some of this stuff at, man. Probably some of y'all text messages, bro. Like if you had to, if somebody hit you right now and was like, yo, look at your, what's the craziest thing in your text messages or your text box or your messages right now? What's the craziest thing in there? If you don't mind sharing it, put it in the comment section, man. Let's have a little fun. What's the craziest thing you've texted in probably the last month or two? What's in there? Y'all get at me in the comment section. And let me know what you think. Till the next reaction, I'm out. Peace. I'm going to get some rest. See y'all tomorrow. Hey.